central and the state government.
Ka kenhun ye lekai football kari India kan se kun Pyrshah ye kenhun Bangladesh ha ka jing ye kun jong ka wat ka balai jong ka Lympung AFC Asian Cup Saudi Arabia aja apunyo qualifiers ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Hamadan Pulu ha ka sengi baar. Hadin ka jing job ka balai ko la not Pyrshah ke Maldives ka ha ka jing ye lekai parlok ha ka ne ka jo ka madan u coach ke India u Manolo Marquez Ula banjur ba ka rukom lekai ka kenhun jong u kan yai ne kumjo klem da ken ya ka no ka kenhun Pyrshah ula penpau ya ka jinglong ba kong san ban pulibnya ya ka bor ba ka jingtlot jong ki kenhun ba le Pyrshah kum ka Bangladesh kamtam nong lekai ba paunam jong ka u Hamza Chaudhry u bawanra lang bat ya ka rukom lekai Premier League u coach ka Bangladesh u Javier Cabrera Ukmi lenti ya ka jingile kai ke bajuat ba utmuru ban ya kunting Pyrshah ke India daga ba penken mau ya ka jingjop ka ba khadu Pyrshah ke India husnam aja lai ke India ka don hapo ka group C ringkat bat ka Hong Kong Singapore bat Bangladesh aga ba ka kenhun la du kan yo bandrung syak Lympung Asian Cup aja arpunyo.
Not every country can stop the competition. If they stop the competition, better for them because they had more time to prepare the game. They spent I don't know how many days in Saudi. Better for them. But as a national team coach, when you arrive to this job, you know more or less that you won't have too many days to train.
We know that the record is not the best. We know that since 2003 we haven't been able to win against India, but again, we are very confident that we are stronger than ever, and at least since I'm here, this is the strongest squad we have ever had, and not only performance-wise, but also mentally we are